Hello student, our topic is the code converter. So we'll take one example, binary to gray code. So before that we first discuss what is meant by gray code, then we'll take one example of conversion binary to gray. So gray code is also known as cyclic code, reflected binary code, reflected binary, gray code. Is defined as an ordering of the binary number such that each incremental value can only differ by the one bit. Means what are the number written in the first and second, if you compare both, so only the difference of the bit is only 1. In gray code, while traversing from one step to another step, only one step in the code is changes. That is say that two adjacent code number differ from each other by only one bit. Gray code is the most popular of the unit distance code, but it is not suitable for arithmetic operation. Gray code has some application in analog to digital converter as well as being used for error correction in digital communication. So how we can write now? See, this is B0 to B3 and gray code. So binary code is written B0, B1, B2, B3. B0 is LSB, B3 is MSB. So how we can convert into gray? MSB you can mark as it is, G3. Means what is the bit of B3 as it is, you can mark the G3. Now G2 is equal to what? B3 XOR with the B2. G3, how we can mark the G2? B3 XOR with the B2. Similarly G1 is means what? The previous number XOR with the this one. Previous number XOR with the this one. Okay. See, we'll take the one example and the picture will be clear. So converting of the binary to gray code. Okay. LSB numbers are written, MSB is written, B0, B1, B2, B3. Representation of binary number G0, G1, G2, G3 is the representation of gray code. So these are the table. Okay. So B3, B2, B2, B1, B0. Okay. So as per our previous rules, what we are doing? So G3 you can mark as a B3 value. See, G3 you can mark as a B3 value, right? G2 is XOR operation, means B3 plus B2. See now in the table, G3 column you can mark as it is of the value of B3. B3 value as it is. Now G2. G2 what we are saying? It is XOR operation. B2 XOR with. So both 0, then we can mark 0. When it will be 1, only if one of the input of both are 1. In that case, if both are same, either 1s or either 0, at that time we can mark 0. Okay, so it is 0. Okay, so we'll take another example. For example, this line. Okay, so G2. Okay, G3 again, it is value of B3 as it is. Now G2 is equal to what? B2 and B3. B2 and B3 XOR operation. Okay, so as per the truth table of XOR, okay, if one of the input is high, then output is high. That's why it is 1. Again G1, see here G1 means what? XOR operation with the B1, B2 both same. So again truth table according to table value is 0. G0 again both 1, so it is 0. Like this one you can complete the grid. Then your next role is the K-map for the G2. Our role is construction of K-map now for G0, G1, G2, G3. Okay, so 4 K-map we are constructing for the G0, B0, B1, B2, B3. Their values are written 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. Okay, similar here. Okay, here we are following the gray code 0, 0, 0, 1. After that 1, 1. Here bit only one bit will be vary. If you compare these two, only this one bit will vary. Here only this one bit will vary. Here this bit is there. Okay, so after writing this ones, okay, by referring the G0, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 locations are 1 in the G0, and respective value of B0, B1, B2 is the this one. Okay, so these 8 ones we can mark. Okay, so quad will be formed. Okay, this one and this one. So this all our value are cancelled because it is very big. Okay, so the equivalent is what for the this 0 and 1, 0 and 1. Okay, so B0, B1, B2, B3 like this one. Okay, so B0 here is the one means B0. It is 0 means what? We can mark as a B1 bar. B1 bar. So G0 is equal to what? B0 into B1 bar. Okay. Similarly, we can try the K-map for the G1. Okay. So such type of, by referring the truth table, we can mark the table. Respective ones we can mark. Okay. This one chord will be formed. This top cell adjacent with the bottom cell. Okay. So these are the another pair, and we have to write the equivalent there. G2 again. This one chord, another chord. In G3, octet will form. Octet. 8 ones. Right. So it is all cancel. Here is only this one is again changed. So only remaining is what? B3. Only this one. Okay, it is very, that's why it is cancelled. So remaining is what? B3. So that's why. What you write? G3 is equal to B3. G3 is equal to B3. Now see. G3 is equal to B3. Okay. G2 as per the table. G1, G0. Then what is the construction? B3, B2, B2, B1, B1, B0. Means how we construct the table, that will be match. Our next role is, next task we can say that, draw the logic diagram. See here logic diagram, B0, B1, B2, B3. Okay. So B3 is equal to G3. Or you can say that Greek MSB, G3 is your MSB of binary. G2, XOR operation G3 with B2. Okay. Similarly for here and here. So like this one we can convert the code. For that one again number of examples are it. We are required to convert the gray to binary also. XS3, BCD to XS3. We can convert any one number system to another number system. Okay. So it's a code converter. Okay. These are the sample example we are given how to convert binary to gray. It is a 4-bit. We can maybe 3-bit we can complete. 4-bit or 3 bits depends upon the questions. Okay. Thank you.